Okay. So the next thing is how there are three parts here. So first thing is we have installed and we have tested, and this is the thing. And this will go to the next level, right? So we have installed in local machine, and next thing is we have to get in touch with this GitHub repository, and later we have to implement this. We have to create the CI/CD workflow, and how it will work, we can check it later. So for now, it is fine. We are installed, and that connection is successfully established. So, and the next thing is we have to create the directory for us. We have to the directory structure is, that is nothing but where we have to put the code. So after creating this one, you will come to know how this directory structure will work. I'm pasting it here because we are in this. So I don't want the readme here. If you want, you can add the readme also. You can keep this Snowflake dev here. Deploy to Snowflake dev. Okay, so I am creating this directory. So I am confirming this, whether this is the directory I am expecting. I have created the directories here. Okay, let me open this directory for your reference here. I'm opening this folder. Snowflake CNC demo. I have opened this here. Let me check. So in this directory, I have created these many folders means, so this is the way we can organize our files here. Suppose if you are creating some tables, we can keep the tables here, and procedures, functions, views, stages, and storage integration, all kind of things we can keep it under this script folder. Under the script folder, we can create subfolders, and we can implement. So we are once all our code got created, we can add the entries into this main.deploy. So I will show you how this will work here. Okay, so for now, what I can do is I am creating one sample table for us. So I have created one sample table here. So where it is, let me see. This is my file. I have integrated this VS Code with this Snowflake, and let me include here. Connection name is this, and okay, there are so many things are here. So for now, what I can do is I can create another database for us. So this is under this, I'm creating a database. That is, what is the database I can create? SnowCLI, CACD, SnowCLI demo. So we can create the database like this. And I am creating another schema for me. Dev schema, SCH. This is the database. Saving this for now. So what I can do is I am creating this database. So this database got created now. We can see it here. Where is that? SnowCLI demo. So this is the database we have created, and I am creating a schema for us for the development activities. Okay, I already created this schema also. Since we haven't implemented anything, this schema is purely empty now. So what I can do is, for the testing purpose, I am creating a dummy table. It's a create table. We are creating it. Saving it. I'm going to here, and this is the table we have provided this script for us. So what I can do is in this Snowflake, we are not having any tables for now. only we have created one database and one schema. We are plan to create this employee table here. So let me create the table here. Let me set up, this is Snowflake CAC.ch I have set up here. And okay, so we can do it via this one. Okay, this is the default definition. Let me copy this one. Since I have that,
this table will ideally created by the CSCD, right? Why you are creating here?
Which one? It will automatically get created, but I am testing it locally whether this is the script I am going to use it in that GitHub. So from in the GitHub, the workflow will fetch this employee script and it will do the deployment into the.
You're testing this script currently, right? The syntax.
Yes,
right?
this is, yeah, I'm testing the syntax now.
Okay.
I'm going to use this one, Beams CACD dev. I'm taking this connection and I'm implementing here. Okay, so tables employees. This is the script. Since this SnowCLI is properly fetching the script and it is going to this whatever. Okay, so we didn't change this here, right? We can change it here. Let me take up this one. So this is our database, right? This is our database. I will change it here. This is my schema. Okay, fine. Now I have added my username, password here, that database and schema here. So if I am executing this script again, it will automatically create the table here. Let me refresh it. Yeah, I have created one table here, employees table. So this is the table we have created just now. See the net, what I am trying to say is here we have installed the SnowCLI. We have tested it whether it is properly installed or not. We got the version number, and after that we have created a small script that will create the table in Snowflake, and we have used the script in the SnowSQL whether it is fetching properly or not. It is properly taking the script from that local directory and it is deploying the things into this Snowflake schema. So this is how this internally. Okay, so up to this level, we are fine now. So now what we can do is we can add the entry into this main.sql because we may have different queries, right? So this is employees.sql. See, this is for table. Later we can create the department table, sales table, finance table, all the tables we can create. So whatever tables we are creating, we have to keep all the entries, whatever information we want to. We, we we need to create the bundle, right? So we can collect all the scripts into a single place. So the GitHub will automatically fetch this main deploy.sql and it will interpret the scripts involved within this main.deploy SQL and it will execute each and every script and it will deploy into the corresponding environment. So let's see how this we can create this records into this entries into this main.deploy.sql. So we can go here and this is our where is our, so this is the main.sql. There is no entry here. Here what I did is, so this is the syntax we have to follow it here. There is no other way. So this is the script table and under this table directory I am having this employees.sql. So this is the main dot. Here only we have to wrap all our scripts, individual scripts into this main.deploy. So once it is done, we are locally, we have completed everything. We have to set up the same thing in the GitHub repository. So from local to Git, we have to, it would be better if we follow this kind of a same structure in the GitHub. It will be easy for us for the smooth deployment. Okay, see. And so I'll told, right. So what is meant by SnowCLI and what is meant by SnowSQL. There are bit difference between these things, and they can check it. So for now, we can concentrate only on this deployment things only. So now in the locally, we have created a tables. We have created that file structures, and we have did the deployment into locally, and we have checked whether it is properly deployed or not. So we can see it here. We already saw that. In this is a table we have created. So for now, this is up to now, this is fine. The next thing is, the next part is we have to move to GitHub. So in GitHub, how we can set up the, how can we create that directory structures, and how to set up the workflow, everything we can see it now.